Hello everyone, welcome to another quick tutorial, and in this video I will show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy F12 Wi-Fi keep disconnecting or keep losing signals. So before starting video, if you are first time on channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more latest videos. So to fix Samsung Galaxy F12 Wi-Fi problems or keep disconnecting problems, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.